Good morning or good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, depending on where in the world you are joining us from. And welcome to today's webinar. My name is Simon Thorpe, and I will be your moderator for today's session. It is our pleasure to have Flextronics with us today discussing increasing OEM profit and innovation in energy and lighting. Leading today's discussion will be Janine Sargent, who is President of Energy, Doug Britt, President of Industrial and Emerging Industries, and Sanket Ambakar, Senior Director for Strategic Marketing. I'd just like to inform the audience that for today's session, we will be using full screen mode. In order to submit your questions, there is a green tool at the top of your screens. If you press that button and select the Q&A function, you'll be able to submit any questions or thoughts that you may have. Janine, Doug, and Sanket will try to get back to you in the coming days, and we'll have time for a few questions after the main presentation. So, without further ado, please allow me to welcome our first speaker, which is Sanket.
Thank you, Simon. Energy, of course, is a global issue.
Brilliant, thank you, Janine. Okay, we've just got time for one more question now. Doug, I think we'll offer this one to yourself. It's a good one here, I think, just to cast an overall summary as well and what Flextronics can really provide. The question was, how is your platform approach different than other contract manufacturers in the space?
Yeah, great. You know, Flextronics is uniquely positioned. It's 25 years of building out the physical infrastructure to enable us to bring products to market globally where the customer needs to have the capability. As the world's changing, and we've mentioned that throughout this discussion, demand profiles, regionalization, we're in a position where we can take a supply chain and move a supply chain rapidly to a geography for a customer. We operate in 110 different locations, 30 different countries worldwide. We've invested heavily in our physical infrastructure to provide product innovation centers and proximity of the customer to help them design products that are manufacturable. We've built factories that have the capability to do systems integration in each region, in each geography of the world to do mass customization and final order fulfillment. We have the capability, if needed, to do vertical integration to take latency out of the supply chain, to build printed circuit board assembly alongside plastic injection molding in a factory that does systems integration and test. And we can do that in Brazil, we can do it in China, we can do it in India, we can do it in Timisoara, Romania, we can do it in Western Europe. And this investment infrastructure that we've developed over the past 25 years has put us in a unique position as the world regionalizes and as demand comes from different areas of the world. And we're finding that, you know, because of that capability and on top of it, we're building out an information capability for our customers to work with us to get real-time information on delivery performance, real-time information on yields, and make that supply chain visible to our customers. So given the changes that we talked about are happening around the world, and the investments that we've made over the last 25 years, we're finding that customers are working with us and our new business is growing because of those capabilities and the fact that many of our competitors don't have that physical infrastructure and haven't made those investments over the year. So it's a very exciting time in our company. You know, we're growing and we're excited about the opportunity within energy. And we believe that customers are running into the same issues that many of our other customers are running into in terms of finding demand in different areas of the globe. And we're real excited about our possibilities in growing this market.